Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be how I make a magnesium duo that's really good for stress relief. Okay, so for materials, you're going to need an 8-ounce container, 2-ounce spray bottle, 1 cup of raw shea butter, 1/2 cup refined coconut oil, 2 cups magnesium chloride, 2 cups of hot distilled water, essential oils of choice, and not picture is going to be your preservatives. So let's get started. So first we're going to start off with our magnesium brine. By combining magnesium chloride and hot distilled water together, we are going to get a brine, otherwise known as an oil. When applied topically to the skin, this mixture will leave an oily feel on the skin. Magnesium oil as well as butter promotes good sleep. It prevents asthma attacks, reduces hypertension, eases muscle tension, anxiety, and many more things. So as you can see, we're just going to let this dissolve, and then we're going to start on our butter. So here we're going to combine the shea butter along with the coconut oil. Feel free to add your essential oils here, or you can add them at mixing. But I am going to go ahead and melt these over a double boiler. Okay, so first we're going to make our magnesium spray, which is good for restless nights and improving sleep. So we're going to add our essential oil to the magnesium brine, and then we're going to add that to a spray bottle, and we're done. Once all of your butters have melted, you'll want to sit them aside in the fridge for about 15 minutes to let it solidify. Once the butter has solidified, you'll want to mix until it has reached your desired texture. This butter will be your new favorite, not only because it promotes sleep as well as muscle tension, but this butter also conditions and smooths the skin and leaving a radiant glow. So I'm going in and adding about 2 ounces of the brine to the butter. You can make this as strong or as light as you would like. After that, I am going to add a preservative to add a little bit more shelf life. This butter can last about 6 months along with the spray. I would like to recommend that you don't want to add too much liquid to this mixture, because you do want this still to be a butter and not super liquidy. So as you guys can see, this butter is super creamy, super radiant, and it's going to leave a really nice glow on the skin. If you guys enjoy these type of videos, make sure you like this video, share with your friends and family. Comment down below if you guys make these items. I love you guys, and until next time, stay beautiful. Thanks so much for watching.